Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about OTCEuropa.com. Of course, the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out too. And in this video, we'll be talking a little bit about the different features that they offer on the website, and of course, the platform and the different products that you could be. And of course, I'm going to be showing you how to create an account in some easy steps. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Enjoy the video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes. So guys, we are now on the official website of OTCEuropa.com. So OTC Europa is basically an opportunity for you and for all of the new traders out there, because it's a leading platform and you will be able to be trading a lot of different products like digital currencies, like forex, indices, shares, and goods. So if you go down a little bit here, they have three main reasons why you should choose their platform, which is OTC Europa. Of course, all of the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below. Of course, one of the reasons is multi-asset trading. So fiat currencies, commodities, equities, indices, and digital currencies are just a few of the trading assets available, and there is a full list of products which shows every single product, many payment options that we will be going through in a bit, and of course secure trading and secure transactions because they are encrypted. Of course, the investment proficiency, customer service available 24/5, insights and advice for trading, and free trading instruments. And of course, you can see here that in over 12 years of experience, they have been getting only 5-star rating services. If you go down a little bit here, you can see the payment method that they accept here on OTC Europa, which is bank transfers, MasterCard, Visa, and wire transfers. And now, as a first product, let's go through really quick through the digital currencies and everything else. So basically, digital currencies are basically including, for example, the Bitcoin, Dash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Neo, Quantum, and Ripple. And this is how it does work, and this is these are again the reasons why you should be choosing OTC Europa. We're going to be going through account types, so we can discover together which types they have here on OTC Europa, because they have different types of accounts. So basically, there is the first category, which is standard. So this standard category has 3 different accounts. First one has is a test account, and the capital is just 250 euros. Of course, they have limited access to financial expert, market report, and spread and swaps. For the silver account, it is minimum 5,000 euros as a capital for this account, and it has 1 trading signal, leverage 1 to 10, market report, and many other features. Of course, the gold, which is 1 step up, so it's 10,000 euros as a minimum capital, and it has way more features. For the advanced part, there is, of course, 3 other accounts, which are platinum, diamond, and VIP account. So the platinum is at 25,000 euros, the diamond is 50,000, and the VIP account is 100,000. For the platinum, it is a leverage of 1 to 50. For the diamond, it's 1 to 300, and for the VIP account, it's 1 to 500. Of course, you need to be checking all of these features that are getting added from one account to another, because they are actually pretty worth it. As a third category here, we have the crypto savings, and this one is basically like a staking program where you're just like getting, for example, Ethereum, and then staking it, and it will be giving you monthly rewards based on not selling this coin and just taking it for the long run. Of course, for the Ethereum savings, it is estimated rewards from 2 to 3%. The Ethereum savings second account, this one goes for from 4% to 6%, and there is also with the best account for savings, which is the BTC savings, and it's from 10% to 14%. So of course, here in the company sections, they have an about us section, and they have our support, where you could be sending an email or reaching out to the support team. And here in the local terms, there is all of the policies that you need to know about, and there is the terms and conditions if you want to take a look at that too. Of course, here we have the platform. If you're, for example, logged in or something like that, you could just like press here and you will be directed. Of course, here in the OTC Europa advantages, we have real-time data, we have stop loss, take profits, we have negative balance protection, SSL security standard, of course, zero commission, expert customer support, plus 200 trading instruments, and advanced trading tools. And now I'm going to be showing you guys really quick how to open an account on OTC Europa, because it is so simple, it is so clear, and it just takes, I think, from your time 2 or 3 minutes. So first of all, the first name, for example, I'm gonna be writing a first name, last name, and then country, for example, second here, and then the email, and then the password. So it's pretty simple, pretty clear, and no payment methods or something like that is required at the start of the registration, but you will be able to do that later. Of course, you just need to accept the privacy policy and the terms and condition, and just accept that you are over 18 years old, and then you just press sign up. Your account has been created, and a message with further instruction has been sent. So of course, this is how the platform from OTC Europa looks like. On the right, there is like the technical indicators, and there is here a small meter for sensing the bearish and the bullish behavior of this coin. Of course, here we are talking about not a coin, but more like a currency, which is Euro to USD, and it's 1 hour. Of course, you can be changing everything, and you can be changing putting on the indicators. You can be changing the type of the charting, and here are the many selection of the commodities, currency, stocks, indices, crypto, ETF, cannabis, TV, and news. So guys, we are back now on the press release kit from OTC Europe, and you'll be finding, of course, all of the links and description below. So in this release kit, or let's say blog file site, it unveils the powerful financial instruments of OTCEuropa.com, and you'll be finding all of the information about the different sections. Of course, you would be really good redirected from this to this, because OTC Europa launches premium membership for exclusive benefits, and you will be knowing which are these and how to get these benefits eventually. Of course, this is a bar chart, which is one of the most known blogs or information site. And here on streetinsider.com, there is also a small article about OTCEuropa.com, and it integrates AI for smarter financial analysis. So basically, they have chosen to do some enhanced financial analysis using the AI, which is artificial intelligence. Of course, there is AI powered insights, like I said in the main video. And of course, these AI powered tools, they actually improve and enhance the experience of our users. And here you can find the OTC Europa review. This is it. This is OTC Europa, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We talked about OTC Europa. We talked about the different features that you could find on OTC Europa, and we went through the different reviews or articles that speak about OTC Europa. Of course, all of the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, I showed you also how to create an account, which was really cool and really fast. And if you want to join OTC Europa, you will be finding the register link in the description below, so make sure you choose that one.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about OTCEuropa.com. Of course, all the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out too. Of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to go through those as soon as possible. Have a good day. Bye bye.